Hi everyone, Al the Psych, back for another video. This is the final part 3 of my review of Buddha's Brain. Just doing some bullet points basically, and this is for informational purposes only. And some of the information is taken word for word. Okay, here we go. Let's finish this up. Okay, nothing left out. This is a Zen saying, so nothing left out of your awareness. Nothing left out of your practice, nothing left out of your heart. So, what is left out? The authors suggest it could be people on the other side of the earth with maybe a different religion, or people next door whose politics you don't like, or relatives who are difficult, et cetera, et cetera. So, when you place anyone outside the circle of us, the mind brain immediately begins to devalue that person and justify poor treatment of him. And the authors reference Efferson, Lalive, and Fay from 2008. So pay attention to the number of times a day you categorize someone as not like me. Okay, particularly in subtle ways, such as not my style, not my social background, etc. And when you notice this, stop and think about what you have in common. See how you feel. In fact, I was just reading something a week or two ago about how human beings share like 99.6% of DNA, something like that. I mean, there's a lot that we have in common. All right, just a couple more things. Empathy. I'm glad the authors wrote about this. So empathy is neither agreement nor approval. Okay, that's important to remember. So you can empathize with someone that you wish would act differently. You don't have to give up your own rights to empathize with somebody. The authors also talk about compassion and using a mantra, such as, may you find comfort, or, whatever's appropriate. So this is a way to cultivate compassion. Also, they recommend trying to have compassion for 5 kinds of people. So someone you're grateful to. So then, that's easy, right? Or a loved one or friend. Okay, easy. Okay, neutral person. Okay, things are moving a little bit here now. Someone who is difficult for you, not so easy, right? And yourself. I'm not sure where that falls. Easy, not so easy. I'm not sure. Okay. Finally, I'll end with the author's writing about healthy humility. I really like this. Being humble means being natural and unassuming, not being a doormat, not being ashamed, or not feeling inferior. You don't set yourself above others, but you don't set yourself below others. Okay, interesting stuff. And those are my bullet points, and that is it. Thanks.